Hi, in this video we're going to show you a way to hide the date and time in Windows 11. So this used to be a pretty easy process in Windows 10, but for Windows 11 they totally redesigned how the taskbar works. So it's hard to customize things, but there is a little trick you could use to help you out here. So in order to do so, just right click on the clock there, go to Adjust Date and Time, which will take you to the settings. Then you want to scroll down and find Language and Region. Then you want to find Administrative Language Settings. Then you want to go to Formats and Additional Settings. Go to the Time tab. Change the short time to just S. You might want to copy and paste this somewhere else, but you could also reset it if you want to revert it back. So if you don't actually make a copy of it, you should be okay. And then for the date, put 3 Ds. Okay, so time under short time, just a lowercase s. For date under short time, 3 lowercase d's. Click on apply. And now you see your date and time is gone. You'll have the day of the week still for whatever reason. Not sure why it still does that, but you know, it's better than nothing. If you want to hide the date and time, you just have the day of the week. And then if you want to switch it back, you can just come back here, click on reset and say yes. This will remove all customizations from the current format. So assuming you haven't done anything else, because it'll reset any other changes you've made as well, which I haven't done. So I'm going to click yes. Now we're back in business there. So once again, let me just go from the start here. Adjust date and time, language and region, administrative language settings, formats tab, additional settings button, time tab, change short time to lowercase s, date time, change short date to 3 lowercase d's, apply. And then when you want to put it back, just click on reset, say yes, and you're back in business. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.